to me, more than practice means having the classroom component where you're learning kind of like the theory and why the law is the way it is, and learning how to think about the law in kind of constructive ways, and then applying that to a field placement or a clinic or your summer position. Or for me, I think to apply that to conversations with my students, fellow students, and other professors. I think it's really important, especially with the law, because you can kind of get lost in the nuance of just reading cases every day, that you take the way that you're taught to think in the law school and the way that your classmates are offering these different perspectives on it, and then put it to use, whether that's in a public interest organization, nonprofit, private firm, whatever it may be, the government. I think for me, what's been helpful is your first year, you're kind of really grappling with all this. What am I learning, and like, what is the law? And then that first summer, and from that point on, you have a chance to really apply what you've used, whether that's learning how to write a memo or learning about civil procedure and the best way to motion practice, contract law, international law, whatever your passion rests within. I think it's been helpful that there's a lot of offerings for practical application of what you've been learning. And I think it's also nice that there are other programs like Moot Court or Journal and Mock Trial where you can hone in on the skills that you really are most passionate about. So if that's oral advocacy, Mock Trial and Moot Court are great. If you want to work more diligently with kind of legal theory and case law and proposing new solutions, then Journal is a great option too. And you have all of those options here, and then you have this great faculty that's kind of there to support you through that process, and then other students that you work with. So I think more than practice means being able to learn in a very challenging environment what the legal theory is and how to think about it, and then immediately having an opportunity to apply that.